Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about a new airdrop opportunity. Additionally, I will stake PYTH tokens. Are you ready to learn why? Let's get started. In the Solana ecosystem, many projects without their own token are using PYTH tokens. For example, Monad, Kaminofinance, Drift, marginfi. When these projects launch a new token, they will distribute airdrop rewards. The conditions for these rewards will likely include staking PYTH tokens. If the first airdrop is from Monad, owning Monad could provide us with a significant advantage. To stake PYTH tokens, you need to have PYTH tokens in your Phantom wallet. You can purchase PYTH from exchanges and send them to your Phantom wallet. Make sure to choose the Solana network for the withdrawal. This process is quite simple. After obtaining PYTH tokens in your wallet, the next step is to visit the PYTH stake site. Once your wallet is connected, you are ready to stake. In the provided field, enter the amount you want to stake and proceed. Staking is as simple as that. The newly staked tokens will be accepted during the staking period, which occurs every Thursday. You can see the tokens I have staked in the top left. If you wish, you can unlock the staked PYTH tokens using the Unstake button. To withdraw the tokens, you'll need to use the Withdraw section. Let's look at the buttons above. I've entered my MetaMask address in the Profile section. You can do the same. The PYTH Network button directs you to the PYTH site. In the Governance section, you'll find various polls where people express their opinions. You can participate by writing your thoughts and clicking the Send It button. There will be a small fee for this process. I have successfully voted. Here you can see those who participated in the vote. When a new poll arrives, participate in it. The polls below have ended, but you can still vote. Voting is not mandatory, but we are trying to explore all the functions of the system. To stay updated, you can follow the PYTH Twitter account. I hope the video has been useful for you. Don't forget to follow my channel and like the video. See you in the next video.